doing good at home. In the previous sessions, we were discussing on the lesson Understanding Quadrilaterals. In that, we studied about the properties of the parallelogram. Hope you all have gone through it and understood the properties of the parallelogram. Now, we also studied about the kinds of quadrilaterals like trapezium, kite, parallelogram, etc. And its properties as well. With that knowledge, today we shall be solving the next exercise in the lesson, that is exercise 4.3 children. First main is, given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. As I said, in order to solve this exercise, you should have the knowledge of the properties of various quadrilaterals. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral, and you know, if we join the opposite side angles or opposite vertices of the parallelogram, these AC and BD are the diagonals we got, and they both are intersecting at point O. So this is about the parallelogram. Now we have learnt the properties. So based on that, we should just fill up these 4 blanks. That is your first main. What is AD is equal to? AD is equal to, according to the properties of parallelogram, children, AD is equal to BC. Why? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So side AD is equal to side BC of the triangle. Next you have angle DCB. What is angle DCB is equal to? What is angle DCB? This is angle DCB is equal to what? It is equal to angle TAB. Yes, why? Because we have studied that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So DCB is equal to angle DAB. That is, angle C and angle A are opposite to each other. Third one, what is OC equal to? OC means this length OC of the diagonal AC. The diagonals are intersecting at point O. So we are getting this point OC, children. OC is equal to OA, I will tell. Why is it OC is equal to OA? AC is the whole diagonal. Whole diagonal intersecting point is O. So line AC is intersecting point is O, and right acts as the midpoint. We have studied one of the properties of parallelogram, no? That is, the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So it is AO plus OC. Means OA is equal to OC. That is the reason we wrote OC is equal to OA. Now angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to what? So always, children, when 3 alphabets are given here, you know all this, but still I will tell you once. When 3 alphabets together are given in order to mention an angle, you know, no, the center letter is the angle which is represented actually. Center angle matters. That is the actual angle. Other 2 alphabets on either sides are just the center letter, children, always represents the actual angle. The letters on either 2 sides are supportive. Like angle A, if I want to measure, angle A, how do I read means angle DAB anta. Nimge yav angle beko, that angle should be in the center always. Keep this in mind whenever you mention any angle. Suppose say I want angle B. Then either I can say angle ABC or angle CBA. Both are same. Angle B in the center matters. I want angle C, means 2 ways you can tell. Angle DCB antanaru helbodu, C is center. Angle BCD antanaru helbodu, where C is in the center, children. So here angle DAB and angle CDA are there, means I will mainly concentrate on angle A and angle D. Why? Those are the center ones. So angle A, angle D. Angle A and angle D are one beside the other, means are they not adjacent angles, children? Yes, they are adjacent angles. So one of the property of parallelogram says that the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Complementary 90 degrees, supplementary 180 degree. I have said you already. So A and angle D, the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, means it is equal to 180 degree. So angle DAB plus angle CDA is 180 degree. For all the 4 fill-ups, children, I said you the reason. Why am I writing it? That reason, while writing in your classwork, I want you to mention that as well. I am not writing it on the board, but I want you all to mention the reason as well. Blindly don't write. You should know the reason, whatever you write. So that is about the first main. Second main is also very simple. We have been solving now from beginning of the lesson, finding out what is x, y, z. That is what we are doing. So we shall go to second main. Consider the following parallelogram. So totally there are 5 children. For time being I have written 3. Next 2 also we will write. So following, find the values of the unknowns x, y and z. So all the 3 x, y and z we need to find out here. Again children, if you know the property of a kite, parallelogram or any rhombus or any type of quadrilaterals, easily you can solve any given problem here. Now this is the first figure given. Angle x is here, angle in parallelogram ABCD, angle x, y, z and 100 degree, no? Yes, 100 degree are the 4 angles children. Sorry. 100 angles are, 100 are the 4 angles. We need to find remaining 3 angles. How to find out is the question now. Just now we used one concept here in the fourth problem. What was that? The sum of adjacent angles is supplementary. Sum means what? Addition. SUM, sum it is. Sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree means. Now for angle B, angle C is the adjacent side. Sorry, adjacent angle. Is it not? So what I can write is, now I want angle B. So how I can write? Either I can write angle B in the center I want. Alva, angle P nang beku, but that can be written as either angle ABC or angle CBA. But we will go in order. So angle ABC. So I got angle B plus angle C. So either I can write DCA or BCD. So angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. How I can write this? Because they both are adjacent angles. They both are adjacent angles. I said you in previous session also children, in geometry whenever you solve problem or whatever you do, reasons should always be mentioned in the bracket or else you will lose marks. Please keep it in mind. So angle ABC plus angle BCD is 180 degree. Why? Because they are adjacent angles. Now we know what is ABC. It is 100 degree plus BCD I don't know. I will write it as it is equal to 180 degree. Now what is BCD? 180 degree. As it is I will write this 100 degree. I will shift to other side becomes minus 100 degree. So angle BCD is 180 minus 100 degree and it is clearly 80 degree. So angle C I have found it out means, is it not equal to angle X? C na, they are represented by angle X andre. I came to know that, I find it out that angle X is 80 degree children. We find it out thus angle X is 80 degree. So what I will write now here? Angle 80 degree. Once I find out that children, finding out remaining 2 angles Y and Z is very simple. Do you think how? Angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Yes, no? Here angle DCB and angle DAB are equal. Why? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. So children, if B is 100 degree, angle D or Y is also equal to 100 degree. Why? They are opposite angles. Similarly, if angle C or X is 80 degree andre, Z is also 80 degree. Why? Because they are opposite angles. Hence, we find it out X. Y is equal to angle Y equals angle Y equals 100 degree. Why? Because they are opposite angles and you will write reason. Similarly, angle X is equal to angle Z. Why? Again they are opposite angles, so that is also equal to 80 degree. Same reason, opposite angles and you will write there. For Z is also 80 degree. Z is 80 degree, Y is 100 degree and X is 80 degree. Just try to So x is how much? Yes, we got x is 80, y is 100, z is 80. So how do we know that what we have done is correct or wrong? We shall apply the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. What is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral? The sum of all the four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So x 80, y 100, 100 plus 80, 180, plus z 80, 180 plus 80, 260, plus 100. This given angle is totally 360 degree. Hence all the three angles we have found out is correct. Like this we should solve. Next we have the second figure. Again we have to find out angle x, y and z. Have they labeled A, B, C, D? No, they have not labeled. So now again children, if you look, this angle x, this is angle y, this is angle z. One angle is given 50 degree anta. Now if you compare, angle y and z are adjacent angles. So angle y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Reason I will write in the bracket. Adjacent angles. So angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore angle y is 130 degree. 180 minus 50 is 130 degree. Now we find it out what is angle y. This is 130 means, look, it is clear children, these two are opposite angles. Therefore y equals x is equal to 130 degree I will write. Why? Because they are opposite angles. Reason you should give always I said. So there are opposite angles. Therefore angle x is also equal to 130 degree. X we find it out, y we find it out. Now question is z. How to find out z is the next question. You have learnt one concept now children, exterior angle. If you just look at the figure, this, if you forget this part of the figure, this I will only label it for you. A, B, C, D anta. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral or a parallelogram anta if you consider. Yes, they have given, no, all these are parallelograms. So A, B, C, D if you take as a parallelogram, if you extend the side DC of a parallelogram up to some point, itara line, you are producing it, you are extending it up to some point. This gives rise to an external angle. Why XZ is called an exterior angle? It is because it's outside the parallelogram. Hence it is an exterior angle. Exterior angle. Don't want. What we will do is corresponding angles these are. You will study it children. I will erase this for now. 1 second. See children, whenever you get angles in this Z shape, Z means it need not be this Z. The other type means the reflection type also, the mirror reflection. So these two angles, what we found, the Z shape angles, the pair of angles are called alternate angles children. They are called alternate angles. If the angles are in the form of F shape, it may be any type of F for that shape. Sorry, this line is not there. F or inverted F or ulta F like this on both the sides. So this pair of angles formed here in F shape are called corresponding angles. They are called corresponding angles children. So F shape angles are corresponding angles. Z-shaped angles are alternate angles. Keep this in mind. Now apply that here. Why did I explain you about the concept of this alternate angles and corresponding angles? Andre? Here X and Z what we have children. This is angle X andre. This is D. This is C. This is angle Z. Higide line. See D hatra angle X. C is angle Z. Produced up to here. If you take, is it not F shape? Angle X and angle Z are the pair of the they are the corresponding angles. Therefore I can write angle X is equal to angle Z. In bracket you will write the reason as corresponding angles. Z shaped angles are alternate angles. F shaped angles are corresponding angles. You will study in detail next year. For now, just keep this in mind. Since these two angles make corresponding angles, angle x is equal to angle z, and angle z is also clearly equal to 130 degree. Hence, we find it out angle x, angle y, and angle z. Like this, you should solve, children. Next, we shall move on to third problem. The question is, again find out what is x, y, and z. Y, x, I will just check with the labeling once so that later we should not create problem. Okay. Look now, this is the parallelogram and you have the angles x, y, z here, children. So, in the parallelogram, here it is given this angle is 90 degree. What does this symbol indicate, children? It means it is 90 degree. Means it is 90 degree. Now, this angle x and this 90 degree are vertically opposite angles. Or simply there you keep in mind for now. They are opposite angles. These two are the opposite angles. Therefore, I can write angle x is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite, means, children, this angle is also equal to 90 degree. Now consider this triangle. I will shade it for you. This one triangle you consider. Okay na? So we got, find it out, x is 90 degree. First y, next to find out y, what we will do is, yes, what we shall do is, we have this triangle, no? In the triangle, we know by angle sum property of a triangle, sum of three interior angles is 180 degree. So we shall apply that. In the triangle, you write, in the triangle, angle y plus angle x plus one more angle is given as 30 degree. I will write as it is equal to 180 degree. Reason I will write, by angle sum property, we can write angle y plus angle x plus 30 degree is sum is 180 degree. Now, do we know angle y? No, we don't know. I will write angle y as it is. Angle x, do we know? Yes, just now we find it out. So in place of angle x, I will substitute 90 degree. Angle, one more angle is 30 degree. They have only given us is equal to 180 degree. Angle y plus 90 plus 30 is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle y is 180 degree plus 120 degree. If I send to other side, it becomes minus 120 degree. And angle y is clearly 60 degree, children. We got angle y to be 60 degree. So, we find it out what is x and what is y. We got y to be 60 degree. Clear up? Now, so we know all the three angles now. We find it out x, y, but z is here, children, in this triangle. What to do, how to do means, just now I explained you the concept of alternate angles and corresponding angles. That I will explain you here once again. For that, here is z. Angle z is here and here. Look, children, this is angle z. Okay na? I have just written here separately to show you the z shape ashte. This is angle z and idu angle y idiyalla. This is angle y. Just now we find it out that y is 60 degree. Now angle y is equal to angle z I will write. Why? Because they make the alternate angles. They are a z shape, isn't it, children? They are a Z-shaped. Z-shaped angles are alternate angles. Previously we got F-shaped angles which are corresponding angles. So, angle y equals angle zy. Reason you will write in the bracket as alternate angles. Therefore, angle z is also equal to 60 degree. Hence, X is 90, Y is 60, Z is 60 degree, children. Hence we find that all the three angles. Like this you should solve. You should know the properties of all the types of quadrilateral as well as the concept of angle sum property and this alternate angles and corresponding angles. Very simple. Z you write. Simply write Z. Bari seedha Z alla. Ulta Z also you write. Il angles form agatalva. Those two angles are equal ashte. Adu alternate angles ke Z shape. Corresponding andre F bariri, ulta F bariri, sleeping F and again ulta of that sleeping F if you write, children. Ili angles form agatala. See these two angles. These two are corresponding angles ashte. So that is how about the third one. Yes, third one.